So guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll print the document or the invoice that we generated. In Linux probably you should use the subprocess module to call out the printer, but in Windows you have already imported the OS module, so we will say os.start file, and we will give the directory to that file, which is a file name actually, and the command is print. So this will print the document, and we will just uncomment it, we will save it, and we will run this code. We'll say 1, 2, add to cart, 2, 1, add to cart, 3, 1, add to cart. They gave us 700. Okay, before generating bill, I would like to transfer to my mobile phone to capture this so that you can see how the printing works. Okay, I'll see you in another device.